Let's uh Uy, apo! So, hi guys, ako nga pala si Samuel at welcome back sa panibagong video. At ngayon ay maglalaro tayo ng The Housekeeper. So mga Beshi Waps, ang gagawin yata natin dito ay maglilinis ulit tayo ng bahay. So without further ado, tara guys. Without further ado, tara let's play this freaking game. Okay? My first shift as a night shift housekeeper starts tonight. It's not my ideal job, but I am in need of money. And surprisingly, the pay is hindi ko nabasa lahat. Walk to the hotel. Ang ang tahimik ng neighborhood ah. Saan yung hotel? Asan yung hotel? I wish my shift didn't start this late. The city turns into a ghost town at this time of night. So guys, sorry guys kung paus ako. Kung paus yung boses ko, kung nag-iba yung boses ko. Kasi kaka-start lang ng sport fest namin. And sumigaw-sigaw po ako kasi baliw po ako. Joke lang. Woo. Saan tayo? I'm guessing ayon kasi ayun lang yung may ilaw na pintuan. Kasi ang dilim ng kapaligiran natin. Hindi ko alam bakit ganyan. Pero tara. Tara. Wow! Ang social naman dito. Uy! Hello po ma'am. Hey, it's your first night working here, right? My name is Wendy. Yes, it's my first shift. Nice to meet you. Good luck. Don't forget to clock in using the time clock at the employee room. Asan yung employee room? Andito ba? Asan yung employee room? Ito, nakalagay na pala. Okay. Ba't parang nakakatakot dito, boy? I think, scary. Is scary. Ito yung, but, pinakadulo yung ano, boy? Ano ba yun? Okay. Alis na ako, boss. Go to your floor. Office yan, bes. Ito yung hagdan. Okay. Grab the cart and push outside the room. What? Take out the trash. Throw in the cart. Take the trash from the room and throw. What? Ano? Okay, dito. Hello po. Oy, parang masaya-saya yan ah. Okay. Uy, pwede multiple. That's great. Take towel from the cart and place in the bathroom shelf. Ganun lang. Oh, pwede multiple. Napaka-helpful. Make new bed. Wow! Exit the room. Thank you. Okay. Ang dali lang pala ng job natin. Pero okay na rin naman. Okay. Dito. Nope. Dito. Yep. Okay. Medyo masarap uminom si kuya. Meron pa ba? Parang wala naman na. Wala na. Take towel. Okay. Take the mop and wow! Ang galing. Wow! Very nice. Very nice indeed. Okay. Return map to cart. Okay. Make new bed. Ang dali lang. Ang dali ng trabaho natin. Ganito lang pala yan. No problem. No problem. Okay, okay, okay. Grabe yung boses ko ngayon. Okay, dito. Nope. Dito. Huh? There shouldn't be anyone on this room. What? Did I imagine that? Uh, take out the trash. Grabe naman. Ay, tatlo lang. Hanggang tatlo lang yung pwede ko kunin. Okay. Take the towel. No problem. Make new bed. Okay. Okay. There's something's wrong. There's something's wrong with that room. Pero hayaan mo na. Okay, okay. Okay. Patuloy lang. Patuloy lang tayo. Patuloy lang po. Am I being paranoid or 311? Okay, dito tayo. Okay. Grabe naman sila, kuya. Oh, shish. Ah, walang gaanong trash. All I need to do here is mop the floor. So, yeah. Magmamap lang tayo ng floor. And we're good to go. Mop the floor. Bam. Mop the floor. Bam. Wala na. Ayun lang. Ayun lang. Make new bed. Okay. Ang dali lang. Ha? Ah, dalawa. Okay, wag na po. I should turn on the light. Lim. Okay. Okay, wala namang problema dito. No. What? Why are the lights off again? Hindi ko alam, bes. Niloloko lang tayo ng ng tao. Okay, push. 313. Sino yun? Huh, ako yung kinakalaban nyo. Ha? Okay, this should be my last room for today. Okay. 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 Okay, last ko na to. Tapos di na ako babalik dito. I will never ever go to this place again. Kasi it's creeping me out a little bit. Map ulit. Saan ako magmamap? Ah, ito. Grabe naman. Ano kaya ginagawa nila dito? Ba't ganito kadumi? Woo! What the was that? Ano yon? Ano yon? Okay, 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 okay. Wala naman? Okay. Di siya nakakatakot, guys. I think I'm just a little tired today. I should try to get sleep later. Okay. Mama. 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 Hey, sorry to bother you while you're working. You're working on floor 300, right? Yeah, why'd you ask? I forgot to tell you that someone from room 303 called earlier. They complained about a real bad smell in the room. Could you check the room for me? Sure, I can do that right now. Thank you. Okay, let's investigate it. Babalik pa tayo? Hindi. Okay, babalik tayo doon. Okay? I should be... Nandito na yata. This room... This room definitely smells foul. Guess I have to find where that's coming from. I'm guessing dito. Okay, dito. Okay, dito. Saan? Wala man ay. Wala man. Wala man. Okay, kala ko kung ano meron. Like, yo. What happened here? Taratado. So I heard someone complain about a bad smell in this room. Hey, boss? Yes. Wendy called me about it. I'll take care of it. Really? I was just about to. You can go home now. Don't worry about it. Besides, your shift is almost over. Oh, I didn't notice. Alright, I'll get going then. Take care. Okay, you seem suspicious, Mark. Suspicious ka, Mark. Super suspicious ka, Mark. Suspicious yung I wasn't able to sleep much. I kept thinking about all the strange things that happened yesterday. Normal. Ba't diyan ka nag-park? Ayaw mo ba doon? Doon, no? Sobrang layo kung saan ka nag-park, bossing. May nakasilip pala dyan, no? Sa isa sa mga bintana. Meron nga. Ano ba yan? Nakakatakot naman yung si kuya. Kalbo pa talaga. Uy, wala si Wendy ngayon. Wendy is not here. Magka-clock in tayo ngayon. May reason yan kung ba't sa pinakadulo yan eh. My jump scared. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't think I've seen you here before. I'm Ben, the maintenance man. Nice to meet you. I'm the new housekeeper. I see. Well, I guess I'll see you around. Nakakatakot ka. Malaki ang iyong katawan. Ako lamang dito, maliit lang. That was kind of awkward. Totoo lang, sa totoo lang talaga. Ano yung pangalan natin? Okay, I like this kind of vibe. Sa room... sa floor 100 tayo. Dito tayo. 104. Okay. Okay, I like the vibe. This can keep me going, bro. I like the vibe here. Like na like ko yung vibe. Ang ganda ng soundtrack na pili ni Kuya. We can get going here, bro. Kung ako dyan, sumasayaw ako habang naglilinis, boy. Exit room. I like the atmosphere here sa floor 100. Okay. Okay. Andito tayo para linis lang. Make a bed. Kala ko may imamap pa tayo. I like the vibe here. Ang saya ng vibe. 114. Medyo malayo yun ah. Ito yung maganda. Okay. So, tapos magmamap pa tayo. No problem, no problem. Alright. Buti na lang masipag buti na lang masipag si Amon, guys. Masipag ako. Lalo na pag binigyan niyo ako ng tamang music. Masipag talaga ako, goy. Okay. Uy, patapos na. Patapos na. A door. I don't think that's supposed to be here. I'm just here to ayaw. So we're here to investigate the door. Ang dilim. Oh my god. Did someone lock me in? Oh my god. I can't open it. Okay, we just have to proceed. Walang takbo. What is this place anyways? Why is it centered to that room? I connected to that room. I don't know. Centered tuloy. Mali yung pagkakabasa ko, guys. Sorry. Pagod lang talaga. My phone doesn't have much battery left. And there's no cell service here. I have to find a way quickly. A way out quickly. Pagod lang talaga ako, guys. Sorry ah. Oh my god. Ayoko to. Ay, maze? Ayoko to. Matatagalan tayo. Paano nagkaroon ng maze sa isang building? Oh my god. Who was that? I need to follow her. We need to follow that. Hello? Hello? Hello po? Huh? Why is there water here? Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam. Pero, ewan ko na lang. Hello po. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Putik. Great. No battery left. Battery tuloy. Battery. Guys, walang makita, guys. Guys. Patulong naman, guys. I dead end. Okay. Ba't kasi lobat palagi? Baliw din eh. Di ka ba nag-charge? Parang tama tong dinadaanan ko ah. Sana tama. Konnichiwa. Okay, we need to follow her. We're just gonna follow her. And then... Okay, dito. Okay. Sana walang humabol. Kasi walang takbo na mechanic dito. Sana walang takbo. Please lang po. Dead end. Tapos may takbo, no? Nagkaroon ng takbo ng mechanic. I don't like that. Left or right? Dito na lang. Kita ko yung daanan eh. Pag doon kasi, delikado. Okay. Ano yung naririnig ko? Pero hindi pa rin... It doesn't make sense na may ganito sa taas. Kasi taas na yun eh. Why, hello there! Kamusta po? Pwede bang lumapit po ako sa inyo? Lalapit lang ako sa inyo Kasi po, hindi ko mabuksan yung pintuan and I need your help. I need your help. Okay? Okay. Arigato. Okay. So, mabait siya. Pinapakita niya yung way. Okay? Pinapakita niya yung way, guys. Oh. May pintuan. Oh. Oh. Okay. Is this an employee utility room? This makes no sense. Literal. Grab your weapon. Potek ka, kawawa ka ngayon. Kawawa ka, pustahan. Okay. Hello po. Di ako natatakot, boy. Ako takot. Oh my God. Sino yun? Puntahan natin. Let's find out. Hindi tayo takot. Thank you for playing the demo. Sabi sa'yo, hindi tayo takot eh. So, ayun yung The Housekeeper guys. Demo pa lang siya. So, lalaroin natin siya pag full release na. So guys, pag na-enjoy nyo itong video na to, smash that like button and as always, see you in the next video. Peace out guys!